It's a mad 360.
Come on in. Third's supposed to be the weak link in this box.
Yeah, okay.
And some people reckon they've gotten away with like 600 newton meters for a while and never had an issue.
Yeah.
On the 85, this is 630 newton meters.
Yeah, okay.
And I've used it on the way home, and it was like, yeah. As soon as I got home, it was just noisy, and I was like, it's probably just because it's hot. And it started up cold, it's like 10 times worse.
Yeah. Oh no.
All the goods.
Well.
You get that.
What do you do? A little bit stronger.
Yeah.
Is it just, yeah, I guess it's just loading on the shafts.
Yeah, and it's obviously a pretty, like boost comes on pretty aggressively.
Yeah.
So it's not a nice 600 newtons.
Yeah, it goes probably from 300 to 600 in a few hundred RPM probably.
Yeah, 1,000 RPM, it's pretty quick, but yeah. This is only about 450 horsepower, like today.
Yeah, okay.
It's only got 30% ethanol, but I can't remember if the road's any good up there.
Good time of the day, hey, bloody sun.
Yeah, it might be better coming the way back.
Yeah.
To see what's going on. Suss out the road. But yeah, so this is how loud it is, right?
Yeah.
The Merix just shuts it up, eh?
Yeah, it's
So,
just silence.
it's good. Got work tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yuck.
If I didn't have work tomorrow, I would have just stayed overnight, but I haven't got any clothes ready because I drove straight over after work Friday. So I haven't done any washing and all that.
Stuffs you up, eh?
It's just annoying. What did Billy think? He loved it?
Yeah, he was smiling.
Yeah. As you would to be.
Yeah. But like the roads are really rough, like up and down out there, and it was just like it just
Yeah.
wasn't really like couldn't put it down nicely, so it wasn't really like this power level was pretty good because it actually puts it down pretty well in third.
Yeah.
But it wasn't doing very well out there. I think we've got enough road now. Nice little
Yeah,
spot
that's
to
right.
do. But yeah, it's just really hairy and like, you know, trying to
Yeah.
jump all over the place.
That's plenty quick, isn't it?
There's plenty,
I love it. You can feel it just come on, like it's
so
looks really
aggressive.
good in third. Like it was just.
Yeah, well,
I was thinking it's just going to break away, but it actually.
yeah, well, the extra 100 horsepower on
Yeah.
fully 85, it just breaks the like
Yeah.
in a straight line, and I found it very like unusable when I drove it home. I was like, man, this is. I can't even enjoy that. I can't take this up Volca or anything, but
Yeah.
figuring this out, this has been awesome because I'd drive this up Oxley Oil.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, it's actually quite, usable.
So what's the boost sort of on at the moment for that power level?
It's the same on 98 and
Yeah.
85, so that's 24 pound.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so that's as far as we got with it.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
ran out of fuel pump, which is
Yeah.
it's all it really needs.
Yeah.
Oh, we got this one as well. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm happy you put it away.
Super fun.
Yeah.
We'll have to do an Oxley run sometime.
Yeah.
Try and get some cars out.
You're just like trying to get everyone to have a ride in it before like gearbox or different.
Yeah,
I can
exactly.
feel it, eh? It's just like, oh no.
Yeah.
Like if I use it with people in the car, at least other people are experiencing it.
Yeah, exactly.
If I go
just
taking
like,
it out and use
take it for a lap and then blow it up and like everyone's like, oh, take it around in the Supra, like it's broken. It's already broken.
literally, yeah.
Release bad. Silent mode.
It's just gearbox wire.
Why is your car so loud? Oh, it is just the gearbox. Oh,
It's not.
it's very sad.
Yeah, it's a bit sad.
No,
What are you talking about? It's a dog box.
Yeah, it's a straight cut. Oh, when did you get a dog box?
The car did it on its own.
Yeah.